In this video, I will show you two different ways to change your iCloud or Apple ID password on your iPhone. In first way, we will change our password using iPhone settings app. So go to your iPhone settings app and tap on your Apple ID. And here tap on sign in and security. And here just tap on change password. And now you have to verify your iPhone passcode here. And then here you will be able to easily create a new password for your iCloud. So must create a strong password here and then just tap on change and your iCloud password will be changed. And in second way, we will change your iCloud password using browser. So on your iPhone, go ahead and open a browser and then you have to open appleid.apple.com. So go to this link and now tap on sign in, and all you have to need sign into your Apple ID here. Once you successfully signed in, here just tap on password. And now in this first box you have to write your current Apple ID password, and now just type your new password here and retype the new password, and then just tap on done and your iCloud account password will be changed. So this is how we can easily change our iCloud or Apple ID password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.